there, adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting camper vans of the year, the 2025 PILOTS A690. If you're dreaming of hitting the open road in style and comfort, this might just be the camper van you've been waiting for. From its innovative design to its impressive functionality, the A690 is packed with features that cater to seasoned travelers and newcomers alike. Let's start with the exterior. The PILOTS A690 boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that sets it apart from traditional motorhomes. Its modern curves and sharp edges don't just look good, they're built for performance. The lightweight yet durable construction ensures better fuel efficiency without compromising stability. And those all-terrain tires, they're ready to take you from smooth highways to rugged off-road paths without a hitch. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the spacious layout. The A690 is cleverly designed to maximize every inch of space, making it feel more like a cozy apartment than a camper van. Natural light pours in through the panoramic windows, giving you an open and airy vibe no matter where you're parked. Plus, the retractable awning outside is perfect for creating a shaded outdoor living area when you want to take in the views. Moving on to the interior features, the A690 is all about convenience and comfort. The living area includes plush seating that easily converts into a sleeping space. And let's talk about the kitchen. It's a fully functional setup with everything you need on the road. You've got a 2-burner stove, a spacious sink, fridge that's big enough to store fresh groceries for days, and even a compact microwave. Storage solutions are hidden everywhere, so you won't have to worry about running out of room for your essentials. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, the PILOTS A690 doesn't disappoint. There's a main sleeping area with a super comfortable double bed that feels just like home. If you're traveling with family or friends, the convertible dinette can transform into an additional sleeping space. And let's not forget about the pop-up roof. This feature is a game changer, offering extra headroom and a cozy loft bed that's perfect for kids or anyone who loves sleeping under the stars. Now, one of the standout features of the A690 is its bathroom setup. It's compact yet highly functional, featuring a shower, a toilet, and a small sink. The water heating system ensures you've got hot water on demand, making it easy to freshen up after a long day of exploring. And yes, the tank capacities are generous enough to support off-grid adventures. Speaking of going off-grid, the PILOTS A690 is equipped with a powerful solar panel system that keeps your batteries charged, so you're not constantly looking for hookups. The advanced electrical system also includes multiple USB ports, a wireless charging station, and a smart control panel where you can manage everything from lighting to climate settings. It's all designed to make your road trip as seamless as possible. On the road, the A690 delivers an impressive driving experience. Built on a reliable chassis, it's powered by a fuel-efficient yet robust engine. Maneuvering this camper van is surprisingly easy thanks to its compact size and responsive handling. Plus, features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system make driving a breeze. Even in tight spots or unfamiliar terrain, what really sets the PILOTS A690 apart, though, is its versatility. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or even living the van life full-time, this camper van adapts to your needs. It's perfect for couples, small families, or solo travelers who want to explore without giving up the comforts of home. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 PILOTS A690 isn't just a camper van, it's a gateway to adventure. With its cutting-edge design, thoughtful features, and reliable performance, it's clear that PILOTS has raised the bar for what a modern motorhome can be. If you're ready to hit the road and make unforgettable memories, the A690 might just be your perfect travel companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and road trip inspiration. See you next time, and happy travels!